Charlie, I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the new active phone log, what I call the active phone log. Just log in under your username and password, and when you log into the system it should take you straight to your home screen where you've got your active phone log. And you see I've made a sample one here for Erica. And if you want to add people to your phone log, add a phone log item, just click the button down at the bottom to create a new phone log item. And you can enter in a subject if you will need to. You don't even have to if you don't want, but you could. And then you can click this button to link to a contact. Okay, and that lets you search for someone in the database that maybe you want to link to. Okay, so you can click on that person's name, and that'll put their name and phone number in, and your phone log's all ready to go. Now you click on your home button there. I think this is kind of a magic little button you're going to use a lot to get back to your home screen. And then you see it put it down on the bottom. Okay, you want to add another one, you can enter another one. You don't have to enter someone to link to in the database. If you don't want to, you can just put it right in the subject, and then you say, oh, okay, that's done. Go back to your home screen, and then you've got someone in here that isn't necessarily in the database, but you can put onto your list. Okay. You can delete these by using the little red buttons to delete things. Just know that you can't delete other people's records. You can only delete the records that you created. Okay, so that's just the critical little definition there. Now when you enter someone, what's kind of cool, we saw how we could link someone to it. We can also link other people other users, database users here to this record. Allie, Allegra, Brian, whoever else we put in, we can link those people to the record, and it will automatically go onto their phone list as well. Okay, so when they go to their phone list in the morning, they open up, they'll see that call on there for them to make that call. Now when you have multiple people entered, when you see it, you can click it as done if you want. Watch, when I've completed a record, you see that I can click it, that it's done. This is the done column, and it takes it off the list. Okay. Now when you put other people's names on there, they have the ability to click something as done as well, and then it'll take it off of all of your lists. Okay. Now if you want to take it just off your list and not other people's lists, you can remove your name, for example. Okay, and that'll take it off your list, but it will leave it on other people's lists. And that's basically it. It's kind of that simple. One other thing that's also kind of cool about this idea that we can have multiple people entered is that we can also put in history. So if we get to this detail screen for the phone log, we can enter in an event that says, okay, Erica called, Jenny at this date and time. It automatically date stamps it, and didn't reach her, left a message. Okay, so that adds this to this call history, and then everyone in the office is going to be able to see this call history. So then if Brian comes in and sees, oh, I see Erica called her already and left a message, or Allie sees that, and then you can enter as many of these as you want. So again, okay, later on Erica called Jenny again and meeting is confirmed, for example, right? And then bang, done. And again, in here, if you enter in a record, you want to delete it, you can delete that record, but you can only delete the ones that you created. So if multiple people enter history records in here, it becomes a little more difficult to delete this record, just so you know, because we've got multiple people will need to delete their own records. Potential conflict, we'll see if that works. Okay, that's it. Again, the magic button is the home screen button to get you back to your home screen. And you can click on things to say they're done, they go away. Oh, there's also a phone log archive where all of your phone log entries are stored unless you delete them. And if you want to put them back onto your active phone log, for example, right now we've only got 4 records here on the phone log. If you want to put them back onto your active phone log, you can uncheck them out of here so they're no longer done. And they'll put it right back out, and now you've got 7. Okay, that's it. I hope that helps. Keep me posted. I'll talk to you soon.